Good morning everybody, we are day one of the sales fitness event in Wilby Helmond. We're currently in Eindhoven and just heading down to breakfast, meet Ian. Good night's sleep actually. For the first night in the hotel, normally it's a little bit rough. It was a little bit warm, but I found it really warm since I've been here. Like, taxi was warm and I was inside. Hotel's been warm, airport's been roasting, and then it's been warm in here. So I'm looking forward to getting outside, cool down a little bit. But yeah, we're going to go and head down to breakfast now. We're getting picked up. I don't really know what time. We're just going to get down there now, get some food. There's no taxi there at the minute. So yeah, we're good for time. But we've got a good day all set. What is the time? That is saying... Oh, that is that time. Right, I better go. Right, I'll head down to breakfast and I'll carry on along the way.
I did a bit from waking up this morning.
You are?
I just did one from waking up this morning. Morning, 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Here we go. Day ahead. Did that, I'm in bed. I didn't go to bed then. So,
yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, put back in the teeth, going from there, didn't turn myself in the shower.
What did you do?
Films this morning.
Oh, films?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were talking about meditating.
Oh no, I'm meditating.
Are you ready for today, mate?
Yes, mate, I'm born ready. That's me, born ready.
We were just saying, I've just literally had the best breakfast here that I've ever had here. Avocado on toast, and it was poached egg, bacon, a little bit of cracked pepper. Lovely.
It's not as good as mine. My avocado's even better than the one he's just had. I'll have to make it when he comes down to Wales.
Yeah.
That's what you're on.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's the best one I've ever had in my life.
Backtrack.
But it was nice for here, because normally we have these little sausages and that, which are nice.
The sausages are cool.
Yeah. Little chicken sausages. Jill calls them little willies. There you go, there's one.
Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself.
But what I was just saying as well, like, I edited the vlog when we were here last night, and it was uploading overnight. Woke up this morning, there's still an hour and 22 minutes to go. So when I get to Helmond, jump on their Wi-Fi, I'll get it uploaded, and then we'll start the day. So we've got 5 models. Ian's cutting them all.
Yeah. 5 haircuts. 5 colours with. We got Stefano and Bona assisting today.
Yeah.
That'd be good. I think we worked with them before, right?
Not technically. I've worked with Stefano.
Have you? Okay.
We did Bonded by Blonde, and then I worked with Bona on
Can't remember.
last social media.
Social media. I haven't, because I've not done anything with either. I know them both quite well.
Yeah.
But I'm working on something looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Be good.
Cool. Right, so we're just going to finish off. Ian getting the socials in.
All about social. It's all about social. Content, mate. Content.
Everything's content.
Content. Then cut. Then colour. Jobs are good.
I know, we need to talk about this.
Yeah. Sitting on it for too long.
Yeah, and it's podcast night.
It's podcast night. Exciting. Monday.
Monday, yeah.
Monday's podcast night. When are we going to fit that in today? We're gonna have to do it.
We will.
Even if we do a 20-minute segment, we've got to do at least 20 minutes tonight.
Yeah, and I need to set it up. So it's got a bit of promotion.
What time? Oh God, we have to talk as soon as we get there. Talk to the guys, see what time we got free when we go for dinner.
Yeah.
See if we can do 20 minutes at some point then.
Okay. I mean, we can even do it on lunch. We could quickly smash some food and then, but it depends. Pre-recorded.
Yeah, we could do.
We'll see.
Have you seen your, by the way, do you have a goodie bag?
Yeah.
See what's in it?
Yeah, you flop.
Yeah. I was excited.
I was going to do it as a bit of a competition.
Were you? To do what?
Well, giveaway.
I'm keeping it myself.
Yeah.
I'm keeping it myself. Man, have you seen the sun? It's unbelievable.
If the sun was out.
If the sun was out.
Yeah.
What a car this is.
Yeah, it's lovely.
They're all a bit like this, aren't they?
Yeah. Look at this. Ian, 10 million views on YouTube.
Can't believe it. That's making it more real, actually.
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah, mad. Yeah, it's really cool.
So good, well done, mate.
Same thing, actually.
And when you want me to turn around?
Just turn around, yeah. Why is mine so dark now there? Cool. And just been for me. Same thing why we go colour fading shows, why we're doing it, what we see, because everything's not, everybody knows that. Often they don't know it, especially salespeople. And salespeople, you have to be much more like spoon feeding, like really gentle with them, because they don't really get the speed or jargon that we speak at. So they need to familiarise themselves in a nice, gentle way. That makes sense.
Which is why if we can team up retail with our models, then when they go to like sell, they'll know, oh, what's your clientele? Oh, our clientele is over 40s or, do you know what I mean, young. So, not that 40 isn't young. 40 is very young.
Very young.
Very young.
What youth vlogger, what are you talking about?
Over 40s, I would say, like target market. But yeah, if we can explain to them why we're using it for that target market, then.
And now we look at you, what you do. Yes.
Yeah, but so also we'll be getting, as soon as Andrea's, so we're going to be bleaching. So the inspo is milk.
The milk.
Yeah, but Ian potentially could be doing his bootleg bob. So we could call it bootleg blonde.
I want to take in a bit now.
And then the
Okay.
colour.
Lift up, give you like a more shoulder hair feel, but still with some softness as well. That makes sense?
Yes.
Your hair's in really good condition, so I will do like a 4-step treatment first. So we're gonna take it back to cleanse it deeply, and then we're going to like make sure that we have all the proteins and all the moisture in your hair ready for when we do the colour process. So, has anybody talked to you about the colour process? You're open to a haircut. How open are you to colour?
I'm trying to get a rainbow haircut colour, so I hope you understand how open I am.
All right. Okay. So I think today we're gonna get you bleach anyway to get the rainbow type of colours. I mean, we'd have to bleach it, but I think that what we're looking for is to try and get a really milky bleached colour.
Okay.
I've got the inspo there for the colour. I'll show you what we're going to go for. It's just quite.
No, that's fine.
So then, if you wanted to put your intensities, the bright colours over that, that's no problem. It would do
Rainbow
that.
sit on top of that, perfect.
No problem. We have to get to that to do rainbow anyway. So.
But I mean, do whatever you like. Quite easy.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
So this is an old copper colour.
Yes. I did say this in.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it's fine. Just. And
Yeah, we just need to know exactly what's on there, so then we can treat it as accordingly.
Yeah,
Yes.
so natural. We're going
En
to work through
Uruguay.
there.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Good name, right?
Yeah.
Right, we're just going to ask you to do a little spin, like to see what everybody's doing.
Yeah.
Just take your time, okay? Okay, go for it.
Ooh.
Nice, Adeline. Andrew, you're a seasoned professional now. You know how to do this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
What a great end to a fantastic day one. I've just cut Mr. Ian Davis Emeris's hair. Get that straight. Why not straight? There we go. So we've just done 5 models today. We've had the help of Stefano and Bonner. So they're both going to be, what's the title of them? Like next generation artists. They're coming in and then they step up, don't they?
Yeah.
That's the thing. But yeah, we've just finished for the day. We'll show you everything end of day tomorrow. But this is where we've been prepping all day. You've probably seen this in many a video. And then through there is where we're going to do the stage. And then we're going to go live tomorrow, I think, from there. Won't we? We'll try and go live.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
No.
Your haircut?
I love it. Brilliant, mate.
Oh, good.
That's the best I've had for. I can't tell you since when.
Oh, good.
Best haircut I've had for
A while.
a couple of years, mate. Thank you very much, as they say.
No worries. But look at this. Ian, 10 million views on YouTube. Congrats. Well done, Team Joyco.
90 days.
90 days. So for YouTube Shorts to become monetized, you've got to hit 10 million views in 90 days and 1,000 subscribers. Smashed it with the 10 million views. How many subscribers did you get?
What now?
Yeah.
38,900.
38,900.
Nearly 40,000.
So I'll tag Ian below in the description in here. So if you want to click, go and follow. We work together a hell of a lot. But he does like some amazing shorts, but getting into long form. He's been shooting more than me today, to be honest. I think you filmed every haircut he did. I was trying to film my colours, but I was running back and forth between them all. That was the hardest thing. But yeah, this is Joyco HQ, and if you're new to the channel watching this first vlog, welcome and thank you. But yeah, this is where we do all of our prep work, and then through there, and then through. I was going to show you the food today. I'll try and food. We didn't go out.
Good.
Yeah, chicken stroganoff.
Chicken stroganoff. I don't know what that thing was. Rice, yellow rice. They said, which is like rice with jasmine. I think not jasmine. No, but
And I put potato gratin.
Potato gratin. Yeah, I'm trying to think. No, what's it called? What's the begin with S? The stuff they sprinkle in to make rice red, make it yellow.
Saffron.
Saffron rice. It was gorgeous.
Saffron rice.
Yeah. And a really nice, tasty salad.
And then now we're going to go to dinner, to somewhere where we've been before. We had raw herring with.
Oh, not that again.
No. With, like, if you know what a slush puppy is, here's Wendy. That's it.
Yes.
My apple pen.
Apple pen, pineapple, apple pen.
I left this here in January, and it's back. Thank you, Wendy. But yeah, it was. If you know what a slush puppy is, we had cucumber like that, and then we had some other things. But I'm very hungry. We're gonna chuck our stuff in the hotel, and then we're gonna get to dinner. So we're just prepping all the models. We are well underway. The show starts at 10 o'clock. The time is, I think it's just gone about 9 o'clock. So we're here. Got a lovely makeup artist here working on the models. We've got Bona. And we're working on all the models. Ian is there diffusing Rachel. Stefano is working on Alame. And then Bona has just worked on Andrea. Andrea's just nipped outside, hasn't she? What did you do with your blow dry?
Hi, really good, I think.
Yeah? What did you use on it?
The Use Look blowout cream,
New one?
really good,
Yeah?
yes. And they are so smooth and
Cool. Looks beautiful.
thank you.
Stefano, what are we doing?
Beautiful hair.
Beautiful hair.
Healthy, beautiful hair.
So what are we using?
Defy damage today on Alumai.
Cool. And what we're trying to create? What look?
Just a glass hair, so that's really shiny, 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 and it looks healthy and colored and even, reflective, exactly.
Beautiful.
The light isn't absorbed.
Cool. Can't wait to see it. Ian, what we're
Yes,
doing,
mate. So this is like a big transformation.
Yeah.
So we're going for like this milkshakey colour, like a vanilla milkshake type thing. So really good at that. But I want to make it really natural. So the big disconnection, this haircut. Really lovely shape at the back. And you're going to see that later on. Just be a bit of scissor or comb in and kind of like graduation, and make it using a natural texture to build a body. It's going to be like incredible.
What products have we used?
So the products today, I've used a tiny bit of Joyful Mousse, actually an oldie but a goodie, and I've used to soften that because it can't be a crisp. So I've used one of the sprayed on some Luster Lock as well, just to make it softer, and that's giving me the suppleness. And I've also got the hold. So yeah, I'm going to add something more just to define it later. Maybe a little bit of I don't know, a spritz of again of a bit of Luster Lock just to give it a bit more shine. So yeah, I'm in there. It's cool.
Beautiful. And then here is Regina. So we've just finished her colour again. We just wanted to top it up a little bit. What we've done with the colour, we already had a level 5 brown violet, so we refreshed it with Veriglaze 7XR, 5XR to create a 6, and then through here we've mixed some intensities. So we bleached it first with Blonde Life 20 volt, and we worked through here, it was all one colour, so we lifted it all to a really nice light colour, and then this is 40 grams of yellow and 20 grams of pink mixed together to create this beautiful orange.
Did you ever see the band, the Thompson Twins?
No.
I've never done the
So that's the
Thompson
just
Twins.
finished with Rachel's look, capturing the moment.
Love it.
But this was a big transformation. So Rachel came in, we had just over an inch worth of regrowth, level 8, quite cool. And then we had a copper band, which was a level 8, some places 7. And then we had the ends, which had sort of lifted and lightened. So we started off with the middle band. We used the Blonde Life cream. Mid-lengths and ends was 1.5. Mix 1 to 1.5 mid-lengths and ends.
Oh, sorry, I didn't follow up. So
That's
we
right.
had the new liquid, huh? From
No, I'm talking about when we lifted. So the mid-lengths and ends, 1 to 1.5 ratio,
Yes, exactly.
and then 1 to 2 on the roots. All 10 volt. So beautiful soft
We'll
lift.
do that at the end. Yeah.
Mate, come and have a look at this on camera.
Take a picture of that. Yeah. Go on Instagram. And it should come up. I've done there anyway, but
Yeah, there I go.
that's how you do it, just with the QR code and you go
Look at him, Mr. Social Media.
And that's how I would advise anybody when you go in, is to make appointments, research a little bit, just find out the salon owner's name. Like if somebody comes in, so can I speak to Ian? It's like, how do they know me? Like, okay, already got my attention, you know who I am. Not, well, it's the salon owner about, like, oh, screw you. Do you know? And it's happened, when they come in, the salon owner about, and I'm like, yeah, mate, he's not in today. It's easier. I don't deal with you. Yeah, maybe call Friday. I don't know. He's not here today. Anybody idea when he's back? I have no idea. He's never in. He's never here. You know, and that's truth. I've done stuff like that. You know. So the concept is about helping you. So that's a great question.
Very good question, and I think it gave you guys some content already.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's just a little food for thought. So
Yeah.
do you want to crack on?
Yes, I
Let's
think
crack on.
so. Let's
Bring the models
crack
out.
on with
We've
some
got
models.
time is limited.
Yes. All right.
He's going to shout like a jack for that.
Who's Jack?
All right. Right, do you want to start off with Andrea?
Well, let's start where we started with all the models, shall we?
Okay, yeah, cool.
So our baby, the product that everybody needs to know about and we don't talk enough about, is our 4-step hair repair system. And it's something that I was talking to last night on our table. We were the first Plex, like all this Plex stuff that's going on right now frustrates the hell out of me, because you go into salons, and I've taught in other Joico salons, and you can see these Plexes all over the place. And it's like, one, you're watering down our technology, 2, you don't need it, and 3, we've got the best in the market with the 4-step hair repair. And if you want to go a little bit further, let's get Defy Damage involved. But what we did with our models yesterday was our 4-step hair repair system on everybody, because that's the base that we want to start on. We want to start on beautiful, healthy, shiny, strong hair. And then they were passed over to Ian to do the haircuts.
Yeah, so hair repair is probably the most overlooked system we have by a million miles, like Paul says.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the videos Ian too.
Ja, dat is al wel.
Right, just have some fun then. Just say yeah. Andrea, and do some video a second. So I want you to do the same thing on video. I want you just to your video just play around now, just like chat and like
Play
cool, oh, nice kisses, yes. Good, love it. Good job, yes.